Welcome to Filipedia, from Maria Clara to the modern Filipina. Ano-ano ba ang traits ng Pinay 2.0? The poised, reserved Maria is now confidently beautiful with a heart.
Let's start appreciating it and seeing pageants na it's not just standing there on stage and, wearing a swimsuit. It's more than that.
She is still reserved, but knows what she wants, especially in her career.
You know that it's really my advocacy to make the entire country healthy.
She is braver with her comments.
Barkada, meron ako hindi ko masyadong bet dito, Pero hindi ko ma-imagine na
wala sila doon.
Oo, iwasan ko na lang sila pag nag-comment sila, okay, ikaw na magaling.
Take more risks in life.
Kung ano kitang makasalan ng asawa ko, papayag ka.
But still continues to influence others.
You have the talent, pero yung hunat dapat talagang continuous practice.
And be a source of happiness. The new and improved version ni Maria Clara, ang Miss Independent Pinay. Ang upgraded but humble version ng nakasanayang Pilipina. Get to know more about the Filipina on Filipedia.